Hi everybody, this is Meg from AIM Fitness Online, and as you can see, I'm outside spending some time at a cottage, and I wanted to lead you through 3 awesome exercises that you can do in the morning to stretch out your body. So let's get started. We're going to start by marching on the spot just to warm up your body. And as you do so, think about keeping your shoulders back, arms at your side. Let's take a few deep breaths. So when we start our morning with exercising and with stretches, it can lead to more energy and more focus for the rest of your day. Now, our first exercise that we're going to do is this. Let's take your legs a little bit wider, about as wide as your shoulders, and we're going to start by reaching up overhead. And then we're going to lean over, reach for your knees, and bend those knees slightly as you look down towards the floor. So here we go. We're going to reach up, breathe in, and breathe out. Reach for those knees. You can continue to look straight ahead or look down towards the ground. Breathing in and breathing out. And again, reaching up, breathing in, and breathing out. Now, as you continue with this one, you should notice a nice stretch down the back of the legs and also in your back. All right. Good. We're going to go for 3 more. And 2. And 1 more time. All right, come on up. Good, let's shake out those arms. And next we're going to be focusing on our posture. So I'll stand to the side so you can see. I want you to reach those arms right in front and then bend your elbows, squeeze your shoulder blades back together. So reaching in front, bend those elbows back and squeeze. Reach and squeeze back. And this is a really good way to improve your posture and to help to relax those shoulders and maybe get rid of any stiffness in your upper back and your shoulders. Good. So reach, we want to breathe in, breathe out as you squeeze back. Good, let's go for 3 more. And 2. And 1 more time. All right, good. Now the last one we'll do this morning is this. We're going to circle those shoulders backwards, do some good shoulder circles. And as you do, think about lifting the shoulders all the way up towards your ears. There we go. All right. So just remember, you can get into a really good fitness routine by just focusing on a few exercises every day. Now, if you are looking for longer videos and if you're wanting to learn more of what I offer, I would love to invite you to join my email list. So be sure to click the link below and sign up to join my email list so you can learn about what myself and what we offer here at AIM Fitness for adults 50+. All right, let's finish up with 3 more. Good. You may hear some sounds. You may hear a little bit of cracking. But keep up the good work. All right, give yourself a big hug, and thank you for joining me today. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.